All right, guys, thanks for tuning in. And then, of course, today it's Saturday morning, and we're trying a different setting here on this phone. This is supposed to be Pro View. But yeah, we got it outside here. I don't like here. This was already here, this previous Bondo, but it sure doesn't look good. Guys, I did the first thing of Bondo here, and did a whole sanding all the way around again. So now we will wash it and do some more Bondo. I did the Bondo right there. I think we might be good on that one now. And the one down here. And this was that big dent, remember? I got to put just a little bit more right in the middle, as you can see. But that was a pretty good sized dent. And now she's looking pretty good. And there's some spots up top I'm gonna have to smooth out with the body filler. So we'll clean it up again. And then also I'll lay the hood up here and try to fill in these little bitty nicks and stuff. This time I won't mix the stuff so hot because it dried super fast. But anyway, we get the truck out, wash her up, then get ready for round 2. Alright, we got her all washed up here. Most of the stuff on this truck's looking pretty good. Only thing I think I'm really gonna have to mess with is, of course, right in here, this new one I found, and fill this in some more, and then do some up here and on the hood. So I'll wait for this to dry, bring it back in, and we'll do some more. Quite a bit of Bondo put on her. Of course, we're going to sand all this off, so don't be scared. Just trying to get this stuff a little bit flush. Not trying to get too crazy with it. But we're almost there. And then we'll start on, once I sand all this down and clean it again, then we'll start with the urethane prime black. I'm going to try to do 3 coats.